Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Art. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do a piece. This is on a 24 by 48 inch Artist Loft canvas. And I'm going to use white for my base. The colors that I'm going to be using with that are the Decoart's Metallic Shimmering Silver and Decoart's Metallic Matte Charcoal. And then I'm going to use Amsterdam's Black Onyx for my smear color. And let's see. So I have my white all mixed up. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the way it is, so I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. Those are some really pretty cool cells going on. The silver will have lots of shimmer in it. That was the only one that has is a metallic, or I guess but this is a matte metallic, so it'll have a little bit of shimmer to it, but I did have that little that I did in the corner, but I ended up taking that out because I kind of didn't like it. But you guys have to tell me what you think. I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And again, I appreciate everybody watching. I hope everybody's doing well, staying healthy. And thanks again for watching. Keep being creative. Bye-bye. All right, so I'm going to